Thanks for blocking my driveway.
God, you're a fucking idiot.
Stop. What happened?
He fucking has to get over.
Stop.
If not in person. It was the view from her drones, the sight she'd been rewarded with on 4 flights. With the push of a throttle, she would be up there in those clouds, banking hard and flying free. But this time, it was with weary muscles that...
Look at it.
Careful. I'm gonna
Take a picture.
Tenemos visa. Mi familia ha viajado para Europa, pero queremos sacar visa.
Come on, what the f are you doing? Go! You have room. What are you doing?
Like years from now, the population gets so dense around here.
Oh my God! Holy f***.
Oh.
Holy shit!
My God!
Holy f***.
Aggieland's Better Mix, 104.7 The Mix. Hey, it's Kevin. Looking forward to Friday. That's Lady Gaga's new album, Mayhem, coming out. And she's hosted Saturday Night Live this weekend as well.
Bro.
Of course, as well as the musical guest.
Oh, shit.
Is your f***ing problem, you f***ing douchebag? Jesus Christ. What the hell?
Oh,
that dude
shit.
just caught his fucking truck on fire.
Fire department for you.
Okay, so take 3/5 and divide 3 by 5. Oh my God, this guy's wrecking! Jesus. Oh.
Small looking old person. The left again.
Yeah, and now there's the cops. I hope he gets pulled.
Ah, yes, yay! Woo! Slow down, let him go.
I'm going. Shitty driver. Good job, cop. Woo!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.